Smile Sunday, dear friends. Talking of respiratory diseases like cold, cough, bronchitis, blocked nose, stuffed nose, asthma, all this can be looked after by essential oils. Today I want to speak about 3 essential oils: the eucalyptus oil, the nutmeg oil, and the peppermint oil. You can use all 3 together, or you could also use them separately. We can take steam with these oils. We could also drink a cup of hot water with just a drop of such oil and take it like tea. We can also massage, light massage our chest and the back area with these oils to give good relief. In Sujok therapy, these are the lungs. This is the neck, the throat, the tonsils that ache, the nose, the blocked nose, the temples, you have a headache when you have a blocked nose. The head becomes totally stuffed. The neck feels tight. This is the back area. These are the sides of the neck which become stiff and strained. And this is the back of the chest, the thoracic region. So we could even rub and massage this area with these oils. So dear friends, look after yourself well. Don't go out when you have cold and cough, unless it's a must. Wear your mask. Stay safe. Keep your family safe. Have a great Sunday ahead. Keep smiling. Bye.